Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using Facebook Live to sell your products. Let's get started. When you are selling on your Facebook page, you can use the live broadcast feature on the platform. Facebook Live can help your business expand your audience reach, as it can help you attract more viewers who are not your followers yet. And these viewers can also be your new clients or customers. Selling your products using Facebook Live is effective compared to promoting products using images on your posts. Facebook prioritizes showing live stream broadcasts to more people on the platform. It provides real-time engagement. When your live broadcast is ongoing, your viewers can comment on their inquiries about your products or services. This is your opportunity as a business owner to talk directly to your viewers, and it can help your brand to get customers. Make sure to address your viewers' inquiries or concerns. Don't ignore an inquiry. That can make your viewers feel that you are not attending to their questions and they're not that important to your brand. Make sure to take time and respond, since they can be your potential customers as well. There can be a possibility that your viewers saw your live broadcast shared by one of their friends or one of the people inside the group that they are part of. As a result, they will click on your live broadcast, learn about your brand and products, and can be converted as one of your paying customers. This can be your opportunity as a page owner to interact with more people who have discovered your live broadcast and make them follow your page and view more of your content. Next, you can use live broadcasts for product demonstrations. Showing how your product works will create curiosity with your viewers. Their curiosity will allow them to view your entire live broadcast. As a result, they can be encouraged to learn more about your products. While they are watching your demonstration, they will develop an urge to try your product even if they don't need to buy that product right away. Live demonstration of your product will allow your viewers to know more about your products as you introduce your brand to them. Next, show your brands behind the scenes. People are always curious about how things are done. If you share how a day in your business is like, people will be drawn to viewing your broadcast. When they view these types of videos, they feel like they know your business on a personal level and begin to trust your brand. Once they trust your brand, they will prefer to choose to buy products from your brand instead of purchasing the same products from your competitors. Your regular activities in your business might be boring, but your viewers may find it entertaining to watch. You can even show them a sneak peek of how things are prepared by your staff members or by you as the business owner. People want to see the people behind the business. It makes them feel that they know you on a personal level, and it makes them choose your brand in your niche. Next, show a teaser of upcoming promotions. When you promote your upcoming sale or new products that will be available soon, your followers will be excited to learn and view what your new product looks like. You can promote your products for several weeks before your product launch. This way, they will mark the date in their calendars so they won't miss out on your product launch. For an upcoming sale, you can set a short live broadcast showing your viewers the products that are on sale. That way, they can prepare weeks before the date of the promotion so that they can purchase your product. Next, you can start a live auction. Your viewers can find the online auction fun. When they see a product that is up for auction, there will be other viewers who will be interested in the products too. Whenever someone loses from bidding, the other person will keep on bidding so they can outbid the highest bidder and win the product. This makes the live auction engaging, entertaining, and the participants in the auction will have fun. As a result, they will keep on trying to bid on items that you are showing them and are currently for auction. During the live broadcast, you can introduce your business to your new viewers so that they can know what your brand is all about, what target audience does your brand caters to, and what benefits can your audience get from purchasing your products. Doing this will make your viewers visit your Facebook page, check out your content, and be interested in your products. When introducing products to your viewers who learned your products for the first time, make sure to inform them how they can avail your products. You can add the link in the description where they can be redirected to purchase your products, or you can pin the link to the top of the comment section so that everyone can easily access the link. Nowadays, you need to try to make your brand discoverable online. With the help of Facebook Live, your business can be discovered by your target audiences or even people who just saw your products and liked them. Now that you know about using Facebook Live to sell your products, we can now proceed to the next topic, using videos to promote your products. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.